A British Airways Concorde demonstrates its droop nose after a test flight. The Concorde, a marvel of aviation, was the first commercial aircraft to break the sound barrier, offering supersonic flights that halved travel time across the Atlantic, symbolizing technological triumph. Amazing yet scary crosswind landing by an Emirates Airbus A380 in Düsseldorf, Germany. Crosswind landings challenge pilots with sideways gusts, requiring precise maneuvers to align aircraft with the runway. Mastery of technique is crucial for safety, showcasing pilot skill and aircraft responsiveness. A Lufthansa Airbus A321 go-around in Faro, Portugal from inside the cabin. Go-arounds and second landing attempts are standard safety procedures, allowing pilots to abort landings if conditions are unsafe, ensuring another opportunity to land safely under better circumstances or alignments. Go-around captured from the cockpit jump seat in an Airbus A321 in Mexico City.
40, 30, 20, retard, retard, retard.
A last-second wind change during landing can dramatically affect an aircraft's approach,
50,
requiring pilots
40,
to quickly adjust
30,
or perform a
20,
go-around
retard,
to ensure the safety
retard,
and stability of the
retard.
landing. A Delta Airbus A220 nearly has a tail strike and finally goes around in Minneapolis during tricky weather conditions. Tail strikes occur when an aircraft's tail contacts the runway during takeoff or landing, often due to improper pitch control. They necessitate thorough inspections and can lead to significant repair needs. This Russian Sukhoi fighter jet performs a wild go-around on an aircraft carrier. The arresting hook on an aircraft carrier, crucial for naval aviation, quickly decelerates planes during landing by catching wires on the deck, enabling aircraft to land on short runways at sea.